show you how Team Leader Tools works. Team Leader Tools is basically a new section of our website which is available only to our super volunteers. These sort of super volunteers have an elevated status and they have a lot of responsibilities. They basically manage projects out in the field, and when they're out in the field on projects managing groups of volunteers, they are our eyes and ears on the ground, and they submit their key responsibilities, both managing things, but also submitting data that we desperately need as an organization to sort of fundraise and to know what's going on out there, because we do volunteerism at scale. So let me just show you. This is a Boo-Boo. This is the Boo-Boo T. Boo-Boo is a hypothetical team leader. This is our development environment because I couldn't show you this in production. Basically, Boo-Boo has an upcoming project. Let's see. And notice this is mobile friendly. And a lot of this display was chosen and designed based on research with team leaders. A key thing is this high-level attendance available in the card view, because team leaders need to know at the last minute when they're going to a project or the day before, they need to know high level how many spots are left and how many people are attending. They often let the partner that they're working with, which is the actual nonprofit on the ground, know how many people are attending that are volunteers, because the community partner will say, well, you've got 4 people coming, well, I'll give you 4 students, things like that. So often they're busy in the field and they're managing like big food projects or something, and they need to take people's attendance and describe whether they came or they canceled. If this was during a project, it would be attending, canceled, didn't show. And they need to save these changes and submit them to us. They also need to, very importantly, tell us this information about how many people were served on the project. So this may not look like that significant of a thing, but notice that it's mobile friendly and that we're building on to this as we go. I just want to show you quickly what the old experience was like, and this old experience is still available on the main website, so we're moving slowly towards this new experience. So here I am, Boo-Boo, in the old website, or the regular website that most people see. So instead of going to this new part, which is team leaders, I'd go to upcoming projects. Now now that you can see that it's not a very mobile friendly layout, especially when you go, if this were a list, this list would be very long. I've just got one person signed up for this project. Actually, I've got nobody signed up. So one thing, this is key, what most people do is that they print the volunteer list from a laptop or desktop, and then they actually, in the field, they take attendance on a piece of paper. They come home, they find their desktop or a laptop, and then they submit the information in a wider view. So the new Team Leader Tools, again, available at the same time, is, whoops, sorry, this is going to have to go back to, because it is basically, this is a website, a new website that exists alongside the old website. So that's it. This is just for my own website, so this isn't a perfect presentation, but hey, it'll do.